Hello everyone, time for Thursday's update. Running a bit late with this update. I'm just going to... Okay, so at the end of Wednesday, I was in this position long. Price broke above the 200 period moving average, pull back, stop below the low. Woke up in the morning and we'd gone past 2R, so I moved my stop to break even. It actually come up to 3R, so there was an option to kind of tie in a bit of profit, and I suppose this was the obvious swing point here, which was less than 1R. So I decided just to, rather than have a tighter stop with only a very small profit, decided to leave my position at break even there. And in the day, price reversed again. We're kind of ranging at the moment, and prices just modulating above and below the 200 period moving average. You get periods like that and you just kind of have to stick it out. It's unfortunate really. This looked like it could have continued on and we could have got a nice win here, but you just you need to accept those scenarios and stick to your plan. We broke back below the moving average late yesterday, and again, so you got nice push down, pull back, and then breakout here. So I entered short, and slightly hard to pick the swing point. This is just a single bar. In those instances, I tend to just go for the tighter one. It does mean that I get stopped out a bit more, but it also means that I can hit those bigger R returns more often as well. So that position has just stopped out this morning. So we're currently still below the moving average, but we're kind of making more of a long move. So no real setups at the moment. Perhaps we'll break above and give me a retrace to get in long here. You can see really systematic and just kind of a simple edge that we're trying to exploit. In those instances, and when you're looking for bigger winners, you do have to expect to have longer drawdowns and have to wait a bit longer for your wins. It's very tempting, especially with trades like this, to say, you know what, I'm going to move to break even at 1R and just trail below the swing points. That's going to work better for me in the long run. Unfortunately, the reality is that does work better in short periods, especially periods like this where price is just chopping backwards and forwards and not really trending. But over long tests, you'll find that it's actually much less profitable. So it's a bit of a mental game that's going on here. Your brain will be feeling, you personally will be feeling uncomfortable with these fairly long runs of just losing trades. But you have to look at all of the information, and really to get the big picture you have to look at a much longer run of trades to build your system around. And when you do that, you realize that it's worthwhile waiting for these bigger winners. So that's it. Maybe we'll get another trade today to end the week, and I'll try and do an update video later this evening.